Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a red crewmate from Among Us. I've been playing the game a lot lately with my friends, and the second time I ever played, I ended up being the imposter, and it gave me so much anxiety that I think I like being a crewmate more. So that's what I'm going to be drawing today. As usual, I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Let's get started. The outline on this guy is pretty thick, so I'm going to use a larger brush size. Start by drawing the side of his body. Draw a slightly curved line here and then continue it down straight. From the top line, draw a line outwards and then curve it down for the top of his head. Stop about here. Now we're going to draw his face shield thing. Draw a rounded rectangle here and have it come out slightly further than his body. Draw a slightly curved line downwards here to finish off the other side of his body. Now let's draw his legs. Draw a leg here with a U shape and connect it back to his body. Draw a curved line here for the bottom of his body. Next, let's finish off his other leg. Draw a line out and curve it back up. Lastly, draw a long rectangular shape here on the left side for his space pack or whatever it is. And that's it for this Among Us crewmate. Super easy. Now let's color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.